Hey there! So today I have decided to do a quick declutter sweep of my closet. It's been about a year since I did a huge closet declutter and I'll link that video above for you. I think I did that in January 2018. I've just decided to do a quick sweep and purge, and I don't actually have heaps left in my closet now, so I don't think this will take very long. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of decluttering and organising on this channel. I'm basically trying to simplify my life as much as I can, living with a non-minimalist husband and 2 kids. So if that is what you're interested in, I post weekly content on this channel. So click that red subscribe button below and get some tips for simplifying your life and your home as well. So here's everything in my closet, and I just wanted to show you guys a little trick that I use. So when I did my big purge back in January, what I did is I basically turned all the hangers around so the hooks are facing towards me, and then when I took stuff out and wore it, I turned the hanger back around the right way, so I'll immediately be able to see the things that I have not worn at all because the hooks will still be facing like towards me. So I'll take all those things out first and go from there.
Can I get some attention? There is something I need to say to all those passing by outside this little room where I've been staying. But the door is bolted, the windows locked.
Okay, so this top is a Danny Minogue knit top, and this is all the stuff where the hangers were facing around the other way. And this top is actually really nice. I just forgot I had it, so I'm thinking maybe because it's knit, I'll fold it so it doesn't like stretch out. And I'll also fold it and put it away with my other knit tops, which I have been wearing, because otherwise I will forget about it hanging in the closet. So I'm going to keep that because it's still like a really nice top. It fits me really well. If I don't wear it next year, then I'll toss it. So this is a top that is a Michelle Bridges activewear top, and I have to admit I haven't been very active this year, and I also forgot that I had this, but I actually really love this colour. This is like one of my favourite colours, this shade of pink, so I'm going to keep it. This is one of my favourite dresses, which I've only ever worn twice, and it's like one of the few formal dresses that I have, and well, actually one of 2 that I have. And I'm thinking of decluttering the other one, and I just like to have one in the closet in case I need it, and I really love this dress, so I'm going to keep it. This is a really gorgeous winter dress. So like the cocktail dress, this one is from my favourite shop, or one of my favourite shops, Review in Australia, and it's a really thick winter dress. But you know what, I hate wearing tights, I hate wearing stockings, so I never wore it this winter. But I'm thinking if I just want something more formal to wear to work, because we're kind of business casual at work, so I don't wear like suits and stuff to work, but I think this is actually a really nice, more formal sort of work dress to wear. So I just want to sort of keep this because it's lovely and it's neutral and it's classic, so I am going to keep it just in case I need a formal work dress. This is another blouse from Review, and this blouse is actually about 10 years old. I think I bought it in about 2007 and 2008, so it's done really well. It's got some pilling, and you may recognize this from last year's Christmas videos. Like I did a couple of Christmas videos last year. I'll link those above if you really want to see them. I've actually got a blouse in the same style in like a purpley colour, which I actually like the colour better, so I don't really think I'll wear this again. This is just a really cute little singlet that I bought from Alana Hill, and it's lovely, but I just feel like it's too tight, and it kind of like, I don't know, I just feel a little bit self-conscious wearing it with my little pouch, my little mum tum. Yeah, I just don't feel good when I wear this top. This is half of a little suit that is from Review. Again, most of my work clothes are from Review because I just love the style and their stuff fits me nicely. I think this is probably about 8 years old, and I really love it. I love this suit, so I'm going to keep it. This is an old top from a store called Seduce. It's very old. I would say that I bought this top in about 2003, so this is 15 years old, and I don't wear it anymore. And there's just 3 things I pulled out of the closet that I think I don't want to keep. So this first one, and this bow is a nuisance. It keeps coming undone and I really hate it. It gets in the way. And I've got quite a few other black tops, so I think I'm going to donate this one. This one is quite old. It's a Portman's jacket and it's really nice and warm and I love the style, but it's really tight when I zip it up. I bought it before my son was born, and when I had my kids, my rib cage expanded. So yeah, around here, like all my bras and stuff, I had to get a bigger size. So, and this jacket, because it's a sort of a slim fit anyway, when I do it up, it's too tight when I zip it up, so I don't wear it. And then the last one out of my wardrobe is this cocktail dress, which is really nice. It's from Review, but it's gotten really pulled. I've also worn it quite a few times, and I feel like if I was going to wear a black dress, I'd probably go out and buy a new one. I know that sounds kind of wasteful, but I'm just not feeling it with this dress, so I don't think I'm going to wear it again. Okay, so now I'm going to pull out the contents of my chest of drawers and go through that. Okay, so this is my dresser drawer, and that's t-shirts, there's workout gear there. It's supposed to be ordered. There's these boxes from IKEA that I used to organise, but as you can see, it's just a mess. Knit tops and winter tops here and some shorts. So I'm just going to pull everything out and give it a good going through.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we
Someone is awake from her nap. How they taste? Okay, so this is everything I cleared out from my chest of drawers. Shorts, which these are really thick denim. Why would I wear thick denim in summer? Really uncomfortable and a little bit too short for my liking. A very old long sleeve t-shirt, and this one is, I'd say this is probably about 10 years old and it's a bit worn. And I don't remember wearing it much this winter, so that is going to go. That is the grey version of the purple t-shirt, and I didn't really wear that much either. Swimsuit that I bought from Best and Less because I was in a hurry and I needed another swimsuit to take on holiday one year. This is 4 years ago. I've only worn it a handful of times, so this is going to go. This is a knit top, which I forgot I had, but I've got quite a few similar ones which I wear to work, so I don't need this anymore. It's a little bit stretched out. I'm going to donate that one. And then I've got these two t-shirts that I bought for working out from, I think these were from Big W, and they kind of shrank. And yeah, so I'm not going to wear those anymore. And then this pair of leggings, which these are actually quite a good pair of leggings, but I've never worn them. I've already got 3 other pairs of leggings, and when I wear leggings, I always go to my 2 black pairs of leggings or my blue ones. I've never chosen to wear these, so I always skip over them. So there's no point. I mean, they're brand new, never been worn, so that's a bit of a waste of money, but someone else could be getting the use out of them. And now I'm going to have a quick look in my wardrobe. I've just got a couple of shelves where I've got some things, and I'll have a look what I've got there. Okay, so most of the stuff that I have in my wardrobe, and I've got 2 wardrobe shelves, that is just mainly winter stuff and only a few summer things. So I went through everything, and most of the stuff there I did wear this winter, except for these old track pants from Big W, sweatpants, tracky pants, whatever you want to call them. I've got a couple of other pairs that I wear more, so I'm going to donate those. And then just this top, it's Peter Alexander, so from the pyjama shop, and it's really cute, but I tend to wear more hoodies where they're like day and night wear. Like I wouldn't wear that out around during the day, and so then when I go to grab a hoodie, I usually leave that one in the closet. So this is everything that I'm decluttering, and then just this pile here. So yeah, I think I did quite well. This is what my wardrobe likes now. I've just got a couple of extra coats hanging around that corner, but that is most of my stuff. And then that's the other part of my closet. So not a lot there really. This is where I keep like underwear and socks and stuff. And some hats and accessories. There's not a lot in there either, but look look at all these spare coat hangers now. And then I didn't show you the before, but it hasn't really changed much. That's one shelf of my wardrobe. I kept mostly my jeans and a few hoodies on the right here, my lint brush, and a couple of lighter pairs of like trackies and sort of summery casual trousers. And then this is my winter stuff, like flannel pajamas and warmer like sweatpants or track pants and a hoodie, and some more jeans down there as well, a few hats. And then this drawer is looking heaps better. So t-shirts, workout gear like pajamas and sports bras, shorts and swimwear, and winter tops. I didn't do shoes because I don't really have any shoes that I need to declutter. I went through those a little bit earlier in the year. But if you want to see like a more full-on, like, you know, heaps of clothes being decluttered, that is what I did in January 2018. I'll link that video above and in the description below so you can go back and have a look at that. If you've got a lot to cover and it feels overwhelming, just break it up into smaller groups of clothing. So you could do socks, you could do t-shirts, you could do it's my daughter crawling under the tripod. Just do small chunks, like break it down into smaller chunks, create a little checklist and do them, you know, over a matter of days or a matter of weeks, whatever time you've got. You don't have to do it all at once. You're using your hairdryer.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
It is pretty. Can you go show Dad? So I think just whatever time you have, just tackle small parts of your closet. And I think even if you just get started, it's something. Just make a start and you'll be surprised. You might end up doing more in one session than you thought you might. I find that when I start decluttering, I kind of get in the groove and I kind of want to go through my entire house, which then my husband gets a little bit scared. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and of course subscribe by clicking on my face below if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.